Hi everyone, today we're looking at a new smart light switch I just saw. This is the model WT02S smart light switch. In the box we have our light switch, we have some hardware and some wire nuts, and the instruction manual. The back of the light switch seems to have wires coming out of it. The instructions have connections, and as we can see here, there appear to be 4 wires. The green wire is the optional safety ground. The black wire is the hot. The white wire is the neutral, and the neutral is required, and then the red wire goes to the load. The instructions also point out that it uses the Smart Life app, and this is used by many of these smart light switches. They have the QC code to download it through the Google Play Store or the App Store, or you could just search for the Smart Life app. The instructions also show you how to configure the device and then how to configure the Alexa app. Basically involves adding the Smart Life skill to Alexa, and I'll show you how to do this. The back side of the instructions talks about several other things, such as using Google Assistant or IFTTT and a few other little things here. Here's a closer look at the back of the switch. You notice it has a snap-on faceplate. This is a standard Decora light switch designed for the United States market. And we can kind of see where they have green is ground, white is neutral, and the red and the black for the connection to the switch. Here's where I ordered this switch. Of course, I get it from AliExpress. Get it from China. You don't pay taxes and normally free shipping. It came in 10 days. I was very happy with it. And we got it. It's a MoesHouse brand from the MoesHouse store. And you can see they have 2 different types of switch. They have a normal switch, and then they have a dimmer switch. And they advertise that it works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. And we're going to put it to the test. Another thing I'd like to point out is this particular store has ePacket. Now, out of all the various different shipping options, ePacket is the one I've had the best luck with, and 10 days. So they say 12 to 20 days. I got it in 10 days, and that's really about the fastest I've ever gotten something from China, because normally it can take a lot longer than that, maybe 3 weeks or more. Okay, here I hooked up all the wires and got a temporary little connection here. When I first plugged this thing on, the light was blinking. There's like an orange light here and it's blinking pretty fast, but it's kind of stopped blinking. But let me just show you turn the light on, light off. So anyway, according to the instructions, you got to hold this for 5 seconds. Okay. And now it's blinking quickly. And now that'll be the discovery mode, and we can use the Smart Life app to find the device. Okay, I'm getting the fast flash, and now I'm in the Smart Life app, and I will press the plus button. And I will see. Then I have to enter my Wi-Fi password. And so now it should be saying connecting. Excellent. So now I just have to change the name. And so instead of calling it Smart Light Switch, I'm going to call this Ceiling Light, and then save it. So we'll complete. And now we got this device called Ceiling Light. If I press it, it comes on. If I press it, it comes off. Now the great thing is you can do, click on where it says timer, and then you create a schedule, and then you tell it to come on at a certain time and come off at a certain time, and that's a very nice thing too. And now we just have to have Alexa learn the Smart Life skill, and then Alexa can control this too. I'm in Alexa, and let me show you how this works. We go to the upper left corner menu, and we go Skills, and we're looking at all the skills. It's updating for a second. And let's see here, what kind of crap do they have here? Search for Smart Life. And there's the Smart Life skill, and that's the one that was added in order to get everything working. Once you enable this skill, you can just say, turn on ceiling light, turn off ceiling light, and there you go. So we'll go back, and we can see like plugs. I've already got a couple plugs, so we'll go back there, and this is under switches. So it's ceiling light switch, so now the light's on, and now the light's off. So that's how easy it is to get working.